Today, on Cooking with Armadillos, we're making Mrs. Dewlap's famous Boysenberry Cobbler. Start by putting your berries into a shallow pan on the stove. Now, Mrs. Dewlap's secret ingredient was to then add some very nice red wine to this. People say that the alcohol burns off, and that may be true, but I'll tell you what, those Dewlap children, after a good dose of cobbler, they were very well behaved, very somnolent. Then you put your butter in a deep dish. Put that in an oven that's preheated to 350 degrees. Now, while your butter's melting in the pan in the oven and your berries are simmering in the wine, mix together 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon ground cloves. Whisk that all together, and then you're going to add 1 cup of whole milk and about a teaspoon, maybe a little more, of vanilla extract. Then you're going to mix that together so it's sort of like a batter, like a pancake batter. You don't want to overmix it, but get it in there good so that it's ready to go. Now you will notice that you have most of a bottle of red wine left. I don't want to tell anyone how to live their life, but I'll just say everyone knows it's a sin to waste food. Now once your butter is melted in your dish, go ahead and pour in the batter. Don't stir anything at this point, just let the batter go in on top of that. Then take a spoon and start dipping your berries out of the simmering liquid and put them on top of that batter. Get as many berries out as you can, but don't worry too much about it because we're going to boil down the rest of that liquid that's left there, and it's going to make a nice syrup that after the cobbler's done, you can pour on top of that. Then you're going to bake that for 40 to 50 minutes, just until the top is brown, and serve with some of that reduced down liquid. Make the afternoon go better, make the children sleep well.